Light-burning magnesia ball press equipment application range. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball pressing machine can be powder. Light-burning magnesium oxide powder, forced extrusion by the ball pressing machine. After forming, let related industries use light-burning magnesium oxide ball pressing machine. Energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste with good economic and social benefits. Light-fired magnesium oxide ball press after years of industrial use and improvement, with high pellet rate, low power consumption, compact structure, easy maintenance and debugging, and other obvious advantages. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball press is widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating, and other industries. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball press is composed of 3 parts. They are feeding part, the main transmission system forming part, the main host part of the ball press. The core part is the roll.